Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different than my usual one. Today I just wanted to show all the paintings that will be in my latest collection, which is going to go live on 11th of October, which is in like 3 days. This is a small collection of just 6 paintings, and the painting that you see on screen right now is the one that inspired me to create this whole collection. I started that painting at the end of February when winters were ending over here, and I painted that to remember how winter feels so that I could look back to that painting during summers and just remember how nice winters feel. So yeah, that's the painting that inspired this whole collection. The whole collection is acrylic paintings. They are small to medium sizes. 5 paintings from the collection has a very particular kind of color palette, like lots of blues and lots of oranges. One painting, although, is pink and greens, and it's a very different painting from the other 5 paintings. It looks very out of the place within the collection, but the whole concept fits well. All these paintings have their own story and why I painted them, and all the paintings will have all their stories in detail on the website when they go live. I hope you do check them out. Yeah, if you like to be the one to get notified when the collection actually goes live, be sure to join the newsletter that I will link in the description box below. I really like the limited color palettes that I use to make these paintings. This painting in particular is one of my favorites from the collection, and this one I won't be putting up for sale, but this one will be going to the first person who purchases anything from the collection. So I will be giving this away as a freebie to anyone who purchases anything from the collection first, and along with other freebies. Of course, I love adding little freebies with my orders. They're usually smaller paintings or things like fridge magnets, which I've painted myself, and just like little pieces of art. Yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to showcase all the paintings in the collection. I hope I will see you guys on 11th on my website. I recently got back into acrylics, so this was a going back to acrylics kind of collection, and yeah, it was really fun painting it. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for dropping by, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care, bye.